Hello everyone, my name is Andre McClendon, and today I'm going to talk about the Parabolic SAR indicator and programming it on an expert advisor. Now guys, I'm going to go through things step by step. So off the bat guys, the Parabolic SAR is a trend indicator. You can use it to, get in trends. If it's below typically the price people like to buy, so if you see right here, it has these purple dots right here, pink purple dots. If interest in it, you want to enter in a buy, and if it's below it, you're looking at typically a sell. So typically how it would sell right here, and you would exit around here on the next when it flips over. Here's some more examples of it right here. Now I like the trend indicator. I like to combine with other indicators, but for this video, I'm going to use specifically just Parabolic SAR. So I'm going to dive right into it. So first off, guys, open up MetaTrader 4, and then go to this meta quotes right here, or hit your F4 button right here. Once that's open, guys, we're going to go to new, and we're going to open up a new expert advisor right here. Now you guys can name the program anything you like. I'm going to name it SAR. Let's make it SAR. Okay. Hit next. Next. So now we got our program, guys, right here, and we're going to scroll down to the on tick area. All right. Now the first data that we're going to put in there, guys, are some of the bull statements I'd like to start off with, and then I'll break that down in detail. So here's our bull statements we're going to have here. So let's put it into details. So first we're going to have a double. Double is basically anything that's not a whole number. It has little digits in the back. We're going to put the Parabolic SAR period here. And it's going to be 0.005. Now the Parabolic SAR is going to be another double right here. And this is going to be at the zero candle, at the current candle. And we're going to use this called ISAR. Now if you want to find more details of what ISAR is, all you have to do is double click it like this and hit F1. And it'll bring out like the meta quotes, the MQL4 reference, giving you more details about it. I'll have this on my website and posted some below in the comments. So if you guys need it, just copy and paste it, and you guys can manipulate it for yourselves. The next thing is going to be null. So null is very easy. It's going to be work on all currency pairs. Zero is going to work on the current time frame. PNS is going to be our the PNS period is going to be basically our programmable period that you guys want to change. The next is the maximum. We're going to use 0.2, and this is going to be zero candle, and this is going to be just ones back. This pairs are one candle back, two candle back, and three candles back. Okay. Now, our bull statement is going to basically read true or false. For Parabolic SAR up, is going to read ask if it's up and the bid is going down. So you guys can use this to either buy or sell. This is very basic code. And for this bull statement that we're going to need to actually manipulate and enter in a trade, is going to be parabolic bull run. So if the Parabolic SAR 1 is less than the close, and it's less than the close of 2, the second close and the third close, then we enter in our buy. Now, if you guys look at it, guys, these parentheses means this is the previous close back and the previous close back and the previous close before that, and specifying which candle. Our next code is going to be used to entering the trade, the opening of an order, okay? And then we're going to go back to the terminal to check it out. So we're going to use this statement, if Parabolic SAR bull run equals true. So it's a bull statement, so if it does equal true and there's no orders open, then we're entering this buy order. Then we're going to put it as an INT, buy order number 4 or number 1. You guys can put whatever you guys like. As this, you put number 1. Order send. This would be null once again, guys. It's going to work on currency pairs. We're going to use OP buy, and that's going to be basically instant execution buy. Our lot size is 0.01. Our ask is going to enter on the ask. Our slippage is going to be 10. And we're going to basically do 100 pips positive, 100 pips for our stop loss, 100 pips for our target profit. On our comment, we're going to just put buy order so we can find it a little bit easier. Magic number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this right here, leave it as a 0. That's going to be for pending orders and stuff. We're not going to worry about that because it's doing instant execution. And the color of the order is going to be orange. Our next thing is going to put print and put buy order open. And then before we run this, we're going to compile it, see if it runs. So no errors. Now let's go back to MetaTrader. And let me move myself. So this right here, guys, is going to be important to understand. before we get that, we got to make sure we open up the right trade. We called it SAR. Okay. I'm gonna run it on ADJPY, run on any other program that you want to, because it's basic programming stuff. You might have to move the stop loss and target profit, but that's pretty easy to do. We're gonna be using it on the 4 hour, and we're gonna use it for these basic dates. Our modeling tick is gonna be every second. Now, guys, if you guys want this to pause and start, hit this right here, the little button right here. And if you guys wanted to start the actual thing for it, we're gonna hit start. But before we do that, I'm going to move myself back. And we're going to look at this right here. So if you look at the indicator, guys, for Parabolic SAR, you see the step is 0.0005. That's how we're going to be entering our step for ours, basically the period. If you guys do this right here, you can see it changes. So 0.05, we can do 0.00, let's say 0, even less than that. So if you guys want to change your period, basically how many covers, what it covers in candles, you guys can change that. Let's break this down back to 0.005. Close, and now we're back there. So let's hit start on the strategy tester. As it's running, guys, you can tell that it already entered an order. You can see that it entered in right here. So let's change some of the settings a little bit. You guys can hit F8 and go down, scroll down to the bottom. We can hit white or any color you like. Okay, here we go. Make candles. You can see that it entered the order, just how it says. If it has 3 candles, it should enter on a bull. So we hit play, guys. Let's see how it goes. So every time it does that, it's going to keep entering an order. And so far, it's not doing too bad. And as we can continuously do this over and over and over, long as the rules stay true. And this is a very basic way of programming the Parabolic SAR. If you guys have any questions or comments about how to program it, I can make other videos about this, about how making an X indicator, or when it can basically have a controlled, moving stop loss or take profit. You guys can modify, but this is a very basic, simple way for beginners to program the Parabolic SAR. Now, you guys can combine some other indicators if you like. I can do that for you in a different video. Just let me know in the comment section below. But if you guys want more details about programming or more about the software, just let me know. Because I have it on my website as a whole different section, guys, for MQL4 and some MQL5. I have some more videos as I have time. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.